everyone, Anjani here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, if you have already read by the title, today we are going to be doing a 5-minute easy glam makeup tutorial. So I know कि quarantine period है तो makeup करके जाना किधर है, but makeup is a very important part of my life and I just feel very productive like whenever I do my makeup. And today I am going live on my Instagram at 5 o'clock, so I have to get ready for that also. So I thought side by side दोनों काम हो जाएगा, and this is very easy and you will understand all the steps because it's very easy and all the products that I am going to be using are very easily available in the market also and they are very affordable. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. All the product details will be listed in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. और अगर आप वो भी कर रहे हो तो उसके बाजू में एक सब्सक्राइब का बटन भी होगा, so it will be very nice of you if you go and click there as well and also hit the bell icon so you get notified every week when I upload new videos. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so the makeup that we are going to be doing is something you can do on a day-to-day basis. This is something you can wear to office also once it starts, or college, or if you just want to go out and feel productive, घर पे बैठ के अगर कुछ नहीं सूझ रहा, you can watch this video and start learning about makeup. And this makeup will at least take 5 to 10 minutes maximum. उससे 1 मिनट ज़्यादा एटलीस्ट मुझे नहीं लगता. Now if you're a beginner, you might take some time, but then the results would be really amazing. So I really hope you guys like this makeup. We'll start off with the eyes, and for eyes I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro concealer that I use all the time. So off camera I just did like a micro blading sort of a thing on my eyebrows and I cut myself also. So because we have not threaded our eyebrows for 2 months now, so we had to do that for this look because बहुत सारे eyebrows फिर अच्छे भी नहीं लगते. So what I'm just doing is I'm just going to put this concealer और पूरा like almost खत्म हो गया है. I just hope कि at least नायका खुल जाए तो मैं कुछ मंगा लूँ यार. I'm just putting this concealer, हाँ देखो अभी आया product, on my eyelids as my base, and I'm also carving my eyebrows also. So I'm going to be using like a triangle sort of a brush that I ordered it from Amazon. You always ask me like which brushes are good for beginners. These brushes, I'll have the link to these brushes in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. वो तो obvious है कि अभी delivery होगा नहीं, but then you can add into your cart और जब delivery चालू हो जाएगा, you can just order them for yourselves. Okay, now so to set this concealer in place, I'm just going to be using this compact powder from Kryolan. It's a specially eyeshadow compact and this is in the shade beige. It's more like a white sort of a shade. You can use any compact powder you have. You can also use a loose powder, but this is something that I prefer. So what I'm just doing, I'm just placing this color all over my eyelid as to set in my concealer that we applied. So this will just help to make our concealer or the base last long. Okay, so we'll move on to the eyeshadow now. For the entire eyeshadow, I'm just going to be using these two brushes. This is from Vega. It's more like a flat eyeshadow brush. You can use any eyeshadow brush that you have which is flat, and like a soft blending brush because we have to put some dark colors outside. So for that I'm going to be using this brush. So ये बस 2 brushes है that you need for this particular eye look, and the palette I'm going to be using is this one from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Rose in the Air. It's again available on Nykaa, so you can go and check that out again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up these 2 shades over here, these 2, and I'm just going to take that on my fluffy brush over here, and with very like easy strokes I'm just going to concentrate this color on my crease as my transition shade. Now we have our transition shade right over here. Now we will take a darker shade which is a thoda sa dark tone hai. So I'm just going to pick that, and I'm also going to pick this transition shade that is actually for transition. So मैं वो color लेके I'm just going to concentrate this color on the outer corner of my eye just to give like a soft smoky sort of a look. not concentrating the dark color too much, just for the name's sake. And we want to concentrate on this motion, like make a ulta U, C, whatever. Now with my help of my ring finger, I'm going to pick up this shimmery shade which is in the palette itself, and I'm just going to pick this in with my ring finger, and I'm just going to add this on my eyes like so. Okay, and I'm going to take the same blending brush that we used earlier and blend this off. Okay, so I've done my eyeshadow for both the eyes. Now you can always do an add like a little darkness if you want on the outer V, but I feel this looks good on me right now. मुझे उतना heavy नहीं करना था, but something subtle and glamorous at the same time, so this is what I prefer. Now we'll move on to the eyeliner, and I'm going to be using this one. This is from the, Maybelline. This is the Colossal liner, and you guys have been following me for a very long time. You must be knowing that this is one of my favorites. And जब भी मैंने makeup start किया था, this is the liner that I used. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing my wing liner that I do always. If you want like an in-depth video on how I do my wing liner, do leave me in the comment section down below. And if you're enjoying and if you're learning something from this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can just subscribe and you can see my videos further. So I'm just doing my wing liner. So usually I start from the outer V and move inwards. I can't talk when I do my liner, so just enjoy me doing my liner. Okay, so as you guys can see, I did my liner and I also did the lashes off camera, and you can obviously skip the lashes part if you want. If you want, you can add the part. So now I'm just gonna quickly use my mascara. This is the Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. So what this will help, like it will just help my real lashes to blend in with my fake lashes, and thoda differences है वो नहीं पता चलेगा. So I'm just putting on some mascara as we have already moisturized. Now I'm going to start with a primer. This is the Maybelline Master Prime Primer, and I'm just going to take a little bit, not too much because I don't want a lot to go on my skin because I am already breaking out. You guys can see. So I'm just concentrating the product on like where I usually tend to get oily, which is on my T-zone, and that's where people usually tend to get oily. Okay, so we'll leave the primer to sit in for some time. Till then we'll do our eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm using this Rimmel eyebrow pencil. This is a very old pencil. I don't know if you still get this pencil in India or no, but if I find it, I will leave it in the description box for you guys. So I'm just filling in my eyebrows very so slightly because already मैंने eyebrow उतनी properly की हुई नहीं है, and if I end up filling more, वो थोड़ा prominent हो जाएगा. So just fill in thoda sa, not. Okay, so moving on to base. Once our eyebrows are also done, I am going to be doing my base only using some concealers. Now if you are a beginner, I would really suggest you starting off with a concealer first and then moving on to foundation, because usually people don't like the full coverage foundation on the first go. So for today, I am going to be using two concealers. This is one is from Colorbar. This is the Flawless Full Cover Concealer. This is something which is perfectly matches my skin type, and this is the concealer that is a bit, not a bit, actually it's a foundation, but it's very light for my skin. So this is going to go as my highlighting concealer, and this is going to go all over my face. So we will still get like a very nice flawless base just using concealer. So that now, to be honest, the Colorbar concealer has already done wonders, so I don't feel like doing a lot on my skin because already my skin is breaking out. और मुझे इतना highlighting की ज़रूरत भी नहीं because it's already popping so much. So I'm just gonna move straight into a loose powder. This is the PAC one. This is how it looks like, and it is in the shade T02, which is translucent. So this will just help to lock in all the concealer and everything in place. So I'm just going to take it on a beauty blender, and I'm just going to concentrate underneath my eyes because that's where I end up having a lot of creases, and on my mouth area. So a lot of you guys keep on asking like smile lines kaise chupate, smile lines kaise chupate. It's by this technique. Okay, so it's been at least 5 minutes. I'm just gonna take a nice powder brush and I'm just going to dust off this powder, and we will quickly move on to the bronzing and highlighting and the blush part. So you can use any bronzer, blush or highlighter that you have, but today for blush I'm going to be using this one from PAC. This is in the shade number 005. If you have been following me for a really long time, you must be knowing that these are some of the shades, like these sort of blushes shades I like the most. So I'm just going to take this on a kabuki brush. Quite strange, but I really love how it applies on my skin. So I'm just gonna smile. Okay, now so moving on to bronzer. If you don't know how bronzer work, it's basically it'll give you some definition on your face, और जो भी आपको cuts चाहिए, it'll just help you to sculpt your face and give those cuts to you. So I am going to be using a bronzer. This is from Kiko. So you want your bronzers to be at least 2 to 3 shades darker than your skin, your actual skin. तो ही वो मतलब है, वरना उसका कुछ मतलब नहीं है. And what the easiest trick to do a bronzing cut is, you make that face and you start from your hairline and concentrate till your cheekbone. Okay, so moving on to the highlighting step, but to be honest, like जब मैं highlighter लगाती हूँ उसके पहले I'll just use a fixing mist. This is from Colorbar. This is the Stay the Day fixing mist. I would really suggest, like if you are a beginner or if you are someone who are just starting off with makeup और आपको makeup kit बनानी है, I would really suggest you having like a mix fixing mist like these. You have a lot in market, so you can go on Nykaa and other online websites and check them out, but I would really suggest you using this. What this will do, it will just help to settle all your face in place, and makeup melting का जो issue जो lot of people keep on telling, वो कम हो जाएगा. So I'm just spritzing a lot on my face, and I'm just gonna let it sit for like a second or so. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Nykaa Duo highlighter, and this is in the shade Warm Gold plus Pure Gold. So it's the 24 karat Glam 01, and it has like amazing shade. It has a champagne sort of a shade, and it also has a bronzy sort of a shade. So what I usually do is I take my fan brush again from Amazon. I just mix like both the product in, and I just concentrate it on my cheekbones, and that's where you want to concentrate your highlighter. बहुत नीचे मत जाना because it ends up looking very weird. So I'm just taking that highlighter on my cheekbones and also on my brow bone. So one thing that I'm going to be quickly doing on my eyes is putting some color underneath my eyes. You can obviously use a kajal if you like, but I'm not a kajal sort of a girl. So I will take the transition shades that we used first, जो first the transition shades दिए थे, on the same blending brush that we used earlier. थोड़ा सा ही लूँगी, ज़्यादा नहीं, और just eyes के नीचे मैं उसको blend कर दूँगी. So you guys can see the difference, कितना difference बनाता है ये eyes पे. So this is the step that you don't want to miss. I'm going to be using this one from In Color, and this particular shade from Nykaa. It's like a dark sort of a pinky peachy sort of a shade. If you are a beginner और आपको makeup collection start करना हो या फिर आपको नई lipsticks लेनी हो, these are the 2 lipsticks that I would suggest, and these are very affordable. Again, they are the Nykaa one is available on Nykaa, but In Color you can order it online through their website, or you can find it in your beauty store if you are lucky enough. So I'm just going to apply the Nykaa one first. Okay, ये लगाने के बाद I don't really like this shade, so I like it to be matte, like super matte. So I'm going to be topping this up with the In Color Ultra Smooth and I can't talk. Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade N420. So that's pretty much it, you guys. This is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I really hope you guys learned something. If you did, do not forget to like this video and do subscribe to my channel. The link is in the description box below. And if you are subscribing, I hope you do. Please do not forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified every time when I upload the videos. And yeah, all the product details will be in the description box below as per usual, with all my other video ideas that you might like. If you want to see some family time videos, I will have them in the description box below or somewhere on the I button. That's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.